This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Fitbit Versa 3. The only way to connect your Fitbit Versa 3 is through the official Fitbit application on your smartphone. First, download the Fitbit app from your device's App Store, whether it's the Apple App Store or Google Play. Before you begin, make sure your Versa 3 is charged to at least 80% to avoid interruptions during the setup process. This ensures a smooth and successful initial connection. Once the Fitbit application is installed, the next crucial step is to prepare your smartphone for pairing. You must enable Bluetooth on your phone. This wireless technology is essential for the Versa 3 to communicate with your device. Then, open the Fitbit app and either sign in to your existing Fitbit account or create a brand new one. Having an account is necessary to track your data and personalize your experience. With Bluetooth active and your account ready, it's time to add your Versa 3. Inside the Fitbit application, tap on the small account icon, usually located in the top left corner. From there, select the option that says Set up a device. You will then see a list of Fitbit products. Carefully choose the Versa 3 from this selection. This action initiates the specific pairing sequence for your smartwatch. Finally, to complete the connection, simply follow the clear, step-by-step instructions displayed on your smartphone screen within the Fitbit app. This might involve entering a 4-digit code shown on your Versa 3 into your phone. After successful pairing, your Versa 3 will begin to sync and may download any necessary software updates. This ensures your device has the latest features and optimal performance, ready for use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.